Hi guys, I'm here for a quick tutorial and exactly how to turn a summer landscape images to look like we're made in winter with a lot of snow. Stay with me and I'll show you. I picked this image from pexels.com, link in the description. And the first thing is to create a new black and white adjustment layer. Let's change the blend mode to luminosity. And now let's increase the yellows to about 110, maybe 20. And also increase the greens, maybe 120. But let's decrease a little bit the reds. I think it's good for now. Let's close the panel. Now let's add a new hue and saturation adjustment layer. Go to yellows and decrease the saturation to about minus 90 and increase the whiteness to around plus 90. Okay, do the same with the greens. Decrease the saturation and increase the whiteness. I think it's good. Let's close this panel. But as we see here in the mountains, we still have some greens. Let's go back to hue and saturation layer, choose green, and let's expand the gradient a little bit. Okay, I think it's good. Let's add some snow. I have this snow pattern PNG. I will put the link to the PNG also in the description. And let's add it to the main image. With Control Command T, let's increase the size to match the main image. Click OK. Now let's add some motion blur to make it more realistic. Go to Filter, Blur, Motion Blur. The angle have to be from top to bottom with a little angle, maybe around 80. It's good. The distance, let's see, maybe 100. It's good enough. Click OK. Let's change the blend mode of this layer to overlay. And now let's duplicate the snow layer with Control Command J. And let's change the blend mode to the new layer to normal and make with Control Command T a little bit bigger and flip it horizontal and vertical. Click OK. Now this layer is the snow which one is closer to us, and this layer is further to us. Okay, let's see before and after. I think the red color of the woods have to be adjusted. Let's bring back to black and white adjustment layer and decrease a little bit more the red color. And on the hue and saturation layer, go to red and increase the saturation a little bit. I think it's good. Let's see now before and after. I think it's amazing. This tutorial again is very fast and easy. Everyone can do it. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to my channel for more videos and see you soon.